Today, I'm taking a quick look at the Unihertz Titan 2 Elite and whether it's actually worth your money. So first impressions, this thing is definitely built for a very specific type of user. It's heavy, it's chunky, and it has that old-school BlackBerry-style physical keyboard, which honestly is either going to be a deal-breaker or the main reason you want it. In daily use, typing feels surprisingly good once you adjust, but it does slow you down compared to a modern touchscreen. The performance is solid for messaging, emails, browsing, and light productivity, but don't expect flagship-level speed for gaming or heavy apps. Battery life, though, that's a win. It easily lasts a full day and then some. The build quality also feels rugged, like it can take a beating. So is it worth it? If you're a productivity-focused user, writer, or someone nostalgic for physical keyboards, yes, it's a unique niche pick. But for most people, a modern smartphone will simply be easier and faster.